Hello, my name is Stefan Glova, and this is a brief video introduction to a project called Open ERP. It's a project which I have started in August this year, and Open ERP stands for Open Source Enterprise Resource Planning Software, which is core software for probably any business. Project is built in Python, Django, and well, obviously it's not finished yet, but it will be built up from more than 20 different applications. These applications will be grouped together, and I will just briefly go through them now. So first group will be people application, or people group of applications, which application in this group will be people data, health, safety and environment, skills, learning and development, and disciplinary and grievance. Next group of applications will be operation applications, and there will be two of them, manufacturing and supply chain application. Next group will be customer application, and there will be three. It will be customer data, which will be oriented on business to business, when business want to store some data about business partners or regular customers. There will be fully functional e-commerce and a marketing app. Next application or group of applications will be finance, and in finance there will be three applications. It will be fully functional single entry bookkeeping app, then double entry bookkeeping app, and payroll app. Next group will be project group of applications, which will have project data and project management application. And then it will be KPI group of applications, which will have core KPI called balance scorecard, which will put all applications or all KPIs together, and then individual KPIs will be for people, operation, customer and finance. And the final group of application will be admin and user management, which will manage background of all project and also users permissions and access. So now first application which I started implementing, it's people data application, and on the right side I got PG admin, which is PostreSQL tool to run, besides anything else, SQL queries. This is as well as the app connected to database on server. So as we can see, both entries are same, so we can view individual employee. Obviously all names are randomly made up. We got employee ID, first name, last name, address, and then phone number, email, emergency contact, starting date, and end date if there is end date. We can use this app to edit information. So for example, we go back, we can pick up on name ABC, which got ID 4. We click edit and change name to ABCD and update. And if you go back, it's probably gone somewhere down there, but we can find it on the PG admin ID equal 4, and it's ABCD. We can delete entry. So again, if we take this filter off, so we got all entries. We got ID number 9, with name Camari. If we delete it, it will delete it from database, and if we run query now search for ID 9, it will not come up with anything because it's already deleted. So obviously there's going to be a lot more implemented in this app, but this is just beginning. Next app which I've started is part of people app, health, safety and environment. This is not implemented same way as the first one. I'm doing a bit of experiment to see which approach is better. It's implemented as a completely independent API which is connected to same database, so we can just see entry here in pgadmin, and we can check. So for example, if we want to have a look on ID 10, it should give us this entry. So put ID 10 and execute. It may take a minute because it's a free version of server where I've deployed it, so it's sometimes slow, and obviously when application will be in a real production, there will be paid server which will be much faster. So here it goes. So it's Alfredo and Alfredo here, and same like with people data app, we can use this to delete entries as well. Obviously very soon this API is going to be connected and it will be accessed through Open ERP. This is not done yet, but it will be. So for example, if we go for ID 10 and delete it, so press execute, this is now deleted. There is also Power BI as a visual tool connected to same server. And again, if we want to have a look, so for example, we got name called test, which accident would happen in dark weather, so we can find in database where name is. Test. So there are 5 entries of person called test, and we can validate it, and it's yeah, it's updated. It's 5. One of them happened in dark weather, and we can see it here when we check weather. It was dark. So, and this entry got ID 5. So again, if we delete entry with ID 5, this will disappear, and if we refresh Power BI, it will disappear from there as well. So there are, under test, there are only 4 entries and none of them is in dark weather. So this is brief introduction. Obviously there is much more coming in. My plan for next few months is to just create basic functionality like updating and adding entries for all over 20 applications, then put some interaction between applications and database and much more. So hopefully you like the project, and yeah, it's going to be a nice journey. Thank you.